Samsung Galaxy S20. The tree is pretty dark. Just tap on it and it got a little bit brighter. Of course, a circle appears and a line under it. Tap on that line and drag the sunshine to the right. And it's brighter. If I move outside, it's automatic again. So tap on the tree, on the sunshine, to the left it's making it darker, and then it's back. Tap on the tree, sunshine below that circle, and to the right. Of course, above there's a circle, you can lock it. And now it's not getting back to normal. So tap on the lock again and it's back.